Well, I raided my jar this morning, my meat jar. So this is a jar that I put money into every week, and when it reaches a certain amount, I decide to go to the butcher's. So I took $40 out, and we're going to the butcher's today to get some ground beef. Let's see what the prices are like today at the butcher's, because right now, they're expensive in the grocery store. Well, it's a beautiful day today, 5 degrees Celsius, so things are starting to melt, so you could see the fog, and you'll see some patches of snow, but it's finally melting, guys. Spring's in the air, and yeah, the highway's not too busy today, which is a good thing, but let me tell you, a lot of potholes, and it's a bumpy ride today. But we'll make it. We'll make it. I'm hoping to find some ground beef for at least, $8 a pack, $7 a pack, like last time. Like I said, the grocery stores are expensive, but ooh, look at that. Look at all the water. Everything's melting, and woo-hoo, it's starting to make an overflow. Well, it looks like the Veuve River is overflowing. Everything's melting pretty fast, and look at that. Now, before they fixed this corner here, it used to actually... Oh, wow. Look at that. The truck stop there, where you go to the bathroom, is flowing in water. Floating in water. Yeah, this used to... it used to go over the road. So, it's not as bad as it used to be, but look at that, guys. Yeah, lots of water this year. It's a big overflow. There's a lot of places in town that have basements that are flooding right now because of the water from all the snow we got this winter. It was a shit show. But you could see that we're not missing water this year. They can't say there's a shortage of water, that's for sure. But we're almost there. We're almost at the butcher's. So I guess I'll end it here. And I'll see you when I get back home. Ooh, ooh. Alright, we're here. It's bumpy. Yeah, it's very bumpy. Oh, they fixed it. There used to be a lot of potholes. Yeah. Took a grader through here. Take a picture.
Five minutes later.
Well, prices went up at the butcher's too. Not only is it expensive in the grocery store, it's $8.49 a pound for ground beef now. And at the butcher's, well, the quality's better. So I'm going to pay those prices right now. Because the cheapest in town is $7.99 a pound on special this week for ground beef. And they're $8.49 a pound, regular price. So, that being said, that's our prices here in Canada. A little disappointing. A lot of the stuff in there was quite high. So, I picked up what I needed, and yeah, we'll do with what we have. See you when I get home. So on our way back, and I'll show you what it looked like at that rest stop there. It's totally underwater. So I'm sure oh yeah. It's not that bad. I thought it was worse than that. Okay, my bad. It's not that bad.
It's good, but it's not bad.
But it's still bad. Now we're just gonna wait and see. Just around this corner, I think, is where that guy was. In front of his yard there. Yeah, here he is. He's coming up. Guys, it's so sad. The guy's car is at the end of his driveway, and I think it hunkered down right there. Right here. Look at this. This guy's house. Can't even see his driveway, man. Oh, great car passing by at the same time. Didn't get to see it. Yeah. Farmland. That's what we need right there, Jay.
Yeah.
We need that. We need gardeners because we're not the best at gardening. We don't have the oomph to do it anymore. Never did. I love to cook. When it comes to gardening, I need that oomph, right? But yeah, we're headed home. We're headed home on this foggy 6 degrees Celsius, 6 degrees Celsius day. Yeah. All right, guys. So I picked up my order. I wanted ground beef. That was the main reason I went there. And like I said, it's $8.49 a pound. Okay. I'll show you the flyer special this week for Food Basics. So it's a little bit pricier at the butcher's, but the quality is better. The taste is better. And you're not buying the extra weight of water that they pump into that one in the grocery store. But here it is, guys. Last time I went, I was paying about 7 something and 8 something a pack. Now these are all 8 something a pack. So I go based on that. And I could see quite a few meals here because I will stretch it. I bought 4 packs today. One cost $8.78. So this is medium ground beef, by the way, guys. So $8.78. Another one's $8.56. $8.18 and $8.44. So 4 packs could last me a little bit because we don't eat as much meat as we used to, and I tend to stretch it. So I can make like a shepherd's pie with one. I can make meatloaf maybe with this one. I can make tacos, nachos, whatever, you know. And meatballs. I can make all kinds of things, right? A stew, a chili, whatever. We're going to be doing some stuff with this, guys. I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to have to use some fillers. Because man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. The meats are pricey everywhere. But, you know, I feel safer eating. But I feel safer eating this meat than the one in the grocery store. I'd love to be able to get the ones in the grocery store. But here in Canada, that meat is iffy now. They're doing a lot of shit to our meat. And yeah, that's the price of having better quality, I guess. But I'll make things happen. I'll make delicious meals. And we will enjoy it. So the total price today I spent at the butcher's was $33.95. $33.95. So I had $40 from my meat jar, and I had $6.05 left. So I put the $6.05 back in the meat jar for another time. I could have bought another pack maybe, but I said nah, I'll save it. So this is what I have for the next little while until I accumulate some more money in my jar. And I'll make it happen, guys. I'll make it stretch. And what did you pick up? Hey, what did you pick up at the butcher's? Bella, what is that? Tell the folks at home that you got yourself a bone. Hey, you took your spending money and bought yourself a bone? Yeah. So she's got a nice beef bone there that she's going to chew up here and enjoy. You going to eat it in the porch because it's messy? I don't want it in my living room. Here we go. Say thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Bella, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bella, what did you pick up at the butcher's? Did you get yourself a beef bone? Oh, yeah, look at that big beef bone. Oh, yeah. Her big treat. She's got to get her treat, you know. Did you spend all your money? Hey, how much did that cost you? Bella! Bella, tell the people at home how much it cost you. Nunya. Nunya? What do you mean, Nunya? None your business. Oh my gosh. Well, you enjoy the bone, my girl. Bella's a big spender. She bought 3 of those for $12. Big spender.